Do you know eating seafoods can help you lower your blood cholesterol? In today's video, we will be talking about the health benefits of eating shrimp's a great example of seafood. Seafoods provide numerous health benefits due to its rich nutritional profile. Here are some of the key advantages of including seafoods in your diet. It has high-quality protein. Seafood is an excellent source of protein, essential for muscle growth and maintenance. It is low in fat and calories. Seafood is low in saturated fat and calories, making it a great option for weight management. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Seafoods contain omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve brain function. It is rich in antioxidant-rich. Seafoods contain antioxidants like selenium and vitamin E, which protect cells from damage and reduce oxidative stress. It is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Seafoods are a rich source of vitamins B12, D, and E, as well as minerals like selenium, zinc, and iron. It supports good heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in seafoods help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and prevent cardiovascular disease. It may help reduce cancer risk. The antioxidants and selenium in seafoods have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. It supports brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids in seafoods support brain function, memory, and cognitive health. It provides great bone health. Seafoods contain minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential for bone health. It supports immune system. Vitamin B12 and selenium in seafoods help regulate the immune system. To maximize the nutritional health benefits of eating seafood, choose the following types of seafoods: wild-caught shrimp, fresh or frozen fish, shellfish, snail, crabs, lobsters, class, oyster, periwinkle, scallop. Abalones, whelks, limpets. Seafoods can be cooked using low-fat methods: grilling, baking, sautéing. Here are the nutritional value per 3 ounces serving in shrimp. An example of seafood. Calories 120. Protein 19 grams. Fat 1.5 grams. Saturated fat 0.5 grams. Omega-3 fatty acids 250 milligrams. Vitamin B12 20% DV. Selenium 45% DV. Zinc 15% DV. Iron 10% DV. As always, remember to consume seafoods in moderation. At least have 1 to 2 servings if it per week due to potential concerns about mercury level. Cecelia World always brings you great nutritional healthy diets ideas with Breaking the Bank. For more healthy diet ideas, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Cecelia World. Love from Cecelia World.